Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to solve the problem of product activation failed in MS Word. If you're seeing this message in MS Word, don't worry, we'll guide you through the steps to fix it. First, open your File Explorer and navigate to this PC. Click on the Windows SSD and find the folder Program Files. Click on the folder Microsoft Office and then Office 16. Right-click on the OSPP file and then click Run as Administrator 3 times. If you can't find this file, you can always click on the search button of your File Explorer to find it. Once you're done, open the Microsoft Word app on your PC and then activate. And then that's it. After activation, you may now use Word again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!